How are you? Are you good? Are you in the headspace that you want to be in? And if not, are you taking the necessary steps to be in it? Just think about that. Well, while you're thinking about that, let's do some cooking. What are we cooking? We're cooking a lot of stuff because we're not going to be going out every night on vacation. We're going to be enjoying some home cooked kind of barbecue campy food, which includes kebabs, which includes pasta salad, which includes Mediterranean salad, which some of you guys have already may seen. If not, click the link down below. Do it. But yeah, so, I will also be making a birthday cake for Nicholas because his birthday is tomorrow, Wednesday, not Friday. Because I knew that all along. However, if you want to hang out, if you want to cook some yummy, yummy food, if you just want to be productive, stay tuned. And while you're here, why not subscribe and become a part of that gremlin life, spreading positivity and good vibes to your fellow human being. Alrighty guys, I will see you soon. Bye my lovelies.